Oh my God. They need to slow down. That's ridiculous. They're driving like crazy up through here. Some heat going. If you're wondering on what's going on right now, this is kind of looking back at our other video where we had added the charge pipe and we added the MHD tune, and this car also has the down pipe, and we're pretty much kind of just picking off from there just so y'all can see what has changed with the car and the power and what it's doing and stuff like that. So obviously we've already drove it with the parts on it as well as the tune, but now we're kind of going to showcase it a little bit and show you all what it can do. We're going to hit some back roads a little bit, and I'm going to get on it pretty good with the car. You can probably hear a little bit of the burbles and stuff like that, but all the sounds are going to be coming from like the interior point of view, I guess you should say. One thing about it is the charge pipe has made the turbo sound so much louder. I don't know how well you all can hear it on the mic, but man, it sounds crazy. I'll try to see if I can make it where y'all can hear it a little bit better. I also added burbles to it, as you can tell, and they sound absolutely insane. It's also extremely cold, by the way. I don't know if y'all can see what the temperature is, but it's 35 and we have the windows down for this video. So make sure you leave a like and subscribe for that, because we're freezing right now. Oh man, I'd say these people in front of us hate us. But I do love how good the car sounds. I like the burbles. I know a lot of people don't like them, but so I don't know how good everybody likes the burbles and stuff, but the burble setting on the MHD tune is like its max setting right now, which I'm going to tune it down just a little bit because it is a little bit, it's a little bit too much, but it's hilarious at the reactions you get from people. Another thing with this car is, I mean, it pulls really hard, but man, I mean, you can feel all the weight in the corners when you're going around these things. But I mean, it still handles really, really good. I mean, I can't complain about it. I need to probably get some better brakes right now. But besides that, I mean, it's pretty solid. We're scaring off all the animals currently. They're not on the right side of the road. That's not good. Now, I think we should all take a minute and appreciate the view. I mean, because it's insane, son. Look at that. sounds good for you all, because I mean, it sounds insane. So I don't really know what this video is going to consist of, but comment what kind of car you have and tell us what you have done to the car and maybe what you like to do. If you like driving back roads or just going to car shows or things like that. But one thing that we like is we like driving back roads. I mean, we honestly like doing it all, so we're just kind of curious to see what our audience likes to do and things like that. Oh my God. They need to slow down. That's ridiculous. They're driving like crazy up through here. Pull squeeze bends here. Well, since we're behind some slow traffic, I'm telling you, man, like this MHD tune, charge pop, down pop, if you're using the stage 2 tune, it adds quite a bit of power to this car, man. I mean, you can feel every bit of it, and let me go ahead and tell you, it's pretty quick. I mean, I know that some people don't think that the M55 can really push that much power without having a bigger turbo, but I'm telling you all that this car can produce more power than you all think when it comes down to it. I guess you just have to see it in person really to kind of tell, but it's pretty peppy to say the least right now. We are about to hit a super long tunnel, so hopefully it sounds really good. Y'all can get a good sound for it. Alright, so we're about to hit like a mile-long tunnel right now, and I'm just going to go ahead and tell you all that it's going to sound absolutely insane. I hope that the mic does justice for how loud it's going to be, because it should be illegal. That first run through in the tunnel, I didn't even have it in the Sport Plus setting, which is a little bit depressing. And I think the car turned the burbles off because it got upset about something. I don't really know, but it's not burbling at all now, so that's great. That's really good. Also, I'm just curious, you all should leave a comment and like tell us what kind of content you all would like to see more of. I mean, we're kind of trying to just figure it out a little bit. That's why our content is kind of everywhere. We'd like to hear from you all if you would like to see more of something. So we're kind of going through this part. We're going to see like how it sounds ricocheting off the building. Oh man, that just cracked me up. Take a good right here. We're going to wave at this family when we're sideways. Okay, well that was really depressing. Alright, we're going to go up here and take a left. Well, if y'all have stuck around this long in the video and stuff, make sure to like and subscribe it, leave a comment, tell us if you liked it, and maybe you could tell us some things to do differently, because I mean, we're really just trying to figure it out and try to figure out how to build an audience and get more subscribers and things like that. But we're gonna head out of here. We're gonna try to do a part 2 on the 535i of making 500 horsepower. We just gotta get some more parts for it. We already have some rims ready to be put on it. So we're gonna see what happens. Try to keep it on the road.